In this Map Suite MVC Edition sample app walkthrough, we're going to show you how you can get the count or the number of features on a feature layer. So in this sample here, we've just got a basic map with the World Map Kit, and we've got another shapefile feature layer sit on top of it with the green outlines signifying the country borders. So if we click this button here, you can see we can get a feature count. This is the number of records in the country 02 shapefile that has these green borders for each country in the world. So you can see there are 251 records, so that's returning the count for that shapefile feature layer. So let's take a look at the code and the APIs you would use to do that. First, let's look at how this sample's set up. And it's a pretty simple sample. We're basically just adding the map to the page, setting our World Map Kit as our background, and then here we're adding another shapefile feature layer representing the countries of the world with country 02, setting those styles and adding that to the map. If you take a look at our button where we get the count, we're actually calling the button getCountClick method, which is a JavaScript function as defined right here. And in that JavaScript function, we're going to do an AJAX callback to the server, and we're going to call this controller and call the getCount method. Once that's done, we're just going to do a map callback, which is taking the results from the server and setting the feature count label to whatever we got from the server. So to actually get the count on the feature layer, we're going to look at the server-side source code, and here's our getCount method. And within that, first thing we're doing is getting a reference to our overlay, and then getting the reference to our shapefile feature layer out of that. It contains our country boundaries. Then we just need to open it so we can do our query to get the count. And as you look here, if you pan over here to the right, we're doing the queryTools.getCount method, and that'll return an actual integer of the number of features in that layer. Finally, we just close that layer and then return that result back to the server so it can be displayed in the label here, the 251 records. So this can be useful if you want to give your user some statistics on how many features are in a given layer, or to do some logic to know how long a certain task is going to run. I hope this sample walkthrough has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us, or you can post them directly on our discussion forum at ThinkGeo.com/forums. Thank you for watching.